Okay, first off, I'm looking up. My question is here. I'll paste it in. How does free college affect the low-income job market? That's my question. And then I'm gonna type in low-income and job market. Free college. Sorry, I'm nervous. Free college and low-income job market. And there was a good article that popped up last time I did this, so hopefully it does again. So, then I'm looking down and I'm looking for the there it is. This is so this one here, it's a journal article by Robert C. Lowery. Research in Higher Education, done in 2019, volume 60. It's and the database is Academic Search Ultimate, and it's the title is the effects of state higher education policies and institutions on access by economically disadvantaged students. So I'm going to click on that real quick and go in. So just so you can see what it looks like. See, there we go. Now on for my other article before I run out of time. So, and then sorry, there's my Google. Sorry about that. And here I'm gonna copy and paste my question. So my income is my thesis, or my question was, how does free college affect the low income job market? And I'm gonna Google search this. And there was another one that popped up that I liked. So then oh, it looks like I used the wrong effect. Sorry, Professor. Wow, it looks like I need to go back to English class. And where was it? I liked this one, the education source. So it's tuition-free college is critical to our economy, and to rebuild. So it's Credit Ellison. Oh wait, that's a photographer. So it was written by Morley Winograd, Max Lubin, and the title is Tuition-Free College is Critical to Our Economy. So, and I liked what it said, and I liked the way it was. So.